I'm fixing to hook up my chemicals, and what our protocol is here that we use hand and eye protection. It's a bright sunny day, so I got my dark colored safety glasses on today. Alright. Got my coil bottle here. And the way that we want you to do this is we're going to do it from the inside, start at the bottom, and work your way up. So this is one of our ESA members, so these condenser coils are not really as bad because we do maintenance on them every year. But we're going to treat it like any other. Starting at the bottom and just working my way up. I got my setting on my cleaner here where it really foams. I want a good foam inside this coil. Alright, just like that.